Want to earn passive income from Airbnb in Dubai? The holiday home market is booming, and now is the perfect time to get in. Dubai welcomes over 17 million tourists each year. Families want privacy, space, and kitchens, making holiday homes a better choice than hotels. This shift offers yields as high as 12% annually. But here's the catch: summers are slow. Most profits come during Dubai's cooler months from September to March. To legally operate, you need 2 licenses, a DED trade license for your business and a DTCM permit to register each unit. Here's your checklist to get started. From trade name to DTCM registration and branding your holiday home business. Once ready, list your unit on Airbnb and others. Use high-quality images and sync your availability across platforms. Dubai Tourism has strict furnishing rules. Your property must be fully equipped with kitchenware, linen, safety tools, and more. Cleaning is a major cost. Outsourcing is easy but expensive. If you plan to scale, an in-house team can cut costs drastically. 5-star reviews come from great guest service. Use WhatsApp for check-ins, build relationships, and convert guests to direct bookings, saving Airbnb fees. The market is competitive. Differentiate with design, custom amenities, and faster guest communication. A well-managed unit can earn AED 10K 15K per month. Scaled over 5+ units, it becomes a high-profit passive business. Dubai's short-term rental market is still rising. With the right foundation, you can build a profitable, scalable, and tax-free business. Don't wait.